Johnette Technologies has supplied an unspecified number of JF-2 stealth drones to the Indian Army for day and night surveillance that has range of 15 kilometers and endurance of 90 minutes at a maximum altitude of 18,000 feet. Turkish Aerospace Industries has opened a branch office in Indonesia, leading to increased speculations that Indonesia might join the KAAN stealth fighter jet program. Pakistan has received the second batch of 6 Akinci armed unmanned combat aerial vehicles from Turkey. The commander of the Brazilian Navy has expressed a strong interest in collaborating with India, as Brazil explores its nuclear submarine program based on Scorpene design. Brazil has expressed interest in establishing a Scorpene club of countries that produce and operate these submarines, which would facilitate the exchange of best practices and technologies. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh visited the Large Cavitation Channel in Naval Surface Warfare Center at Memphis, Tennessee, and he discussed the establishment of a similar facility in India for testing indigenous submarines, torpedo surface ships and propellers. Mazagan Dock Shipbuilders has started sea trials of INS Nilgiri, which is the lead ship of the Project 17A. India and Japan have agreed to co-develop an advanced underwater surveillance system. Indian Navy Chief visited Sagar Defence Engineering to review weaponized boat swarm project and autonomous underwater vessel project. The Indian Navy is not impressed with their SAT+ submarine bid over AIP concerns that was recently demonstrated on a land-based facility in Spain. During the visit of Defense Minister Rajnath Singh to US, the Pentagon has made a strong push for Boeing's F-15EX fighter jet for the MRFA program, as Pentagon officials are aware of the Indian Air Force's lukewarm reception to the F-21 fighter jet. The F-15EX has been offered at $80 million per unit, which could undercut the Rafale by a significant margin of 40%. And this competitive price point, alongside advanced technologies, could be a major factor in the Indian Air Force's decision-making process. It features a powerful AESA radar, hypersonic missile firing capability, world's fastest mission computer, and world's fastest fighter jet with a top speed of Mach 2.5 as compared to Mach 1.8 of Rafale, and it can carry 13.5 tons of weapons, as compared to 9.5 tons on the French Rafale aircraft. Saab India has said that the 80% transfer of technology for local manufacturing of F-414 engines by Hindustan Aeronautics is a key advantage in its Gripen-E bid for the MRFA tender, and they also said that the Gripen-E produced in India might switch to the Indian-manufactured F-414 engine if their bid is selected. This potential switch would create significant commonality between the engines powering the Tejas Mark II and the Gripen-E in India, that will reduce cost and simplify logistics and maintenance. The Indian Air Force Chief had emphasized the need for foreign collaboration in developing niche technologies for AMCA fighter program, to accelerate the development of critical components, avoid delays and ensure the program stays on schedule. His remarks also indirectly pointed to the concerns regarding the capabilities of the Aeronautical Development Agency and Hindustan Aeronautics, that are responsible for the AMCA program's design, development and production of 5 technology demonstrators. Despite the Air Chief's call for foreign collaboration, the Ministry of Defence has not announced any formal plans to involve international partners in the AMCA program. Today's top 3 comments.